Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, students, I am here with the fourth lesson of math, that is rounding. It's from your book lesson number 6. Again, we are doing unit number 1, workbook page number 12. Today, we can solve rounding 4-digit numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000 after completing this lesson, inshallah. How we can use rounding, as if you have been ever for shopping with your mummy or for dine out, you estimate at home that how much you have to spend today. That is estimation, and estimation is based on rounding. For example, the exact number of fans of a football match was 56,327, but the newspaper says that it was 56,330. Why did do so? Because this makes your calculation easier. They have rounded the numbers to the nearest tens. Few important points that you must know before rounding off or down. If the digit is 5 or greater than 5, we will round up and we will add 1 in the previous digit. We need to round off. If it is less than 5, the whole number remains the same. And include placeholder zeros as needed. How you are going to do all this? We will learn this through examples. The key point is here. We will refer to it later. The number you need to round is 3,862. You need to round this to nearest 100. 3,862 lies between 3,800 and 3,900. When you have to do rounding, what is the easy way? Underline the place value of the digit you need to round off. So nearest hundreds, so underline 8 and circle the digit right to it. Look at the digit to the right of the place position you are rounding to. When you round this off, then this 6 is greater than 5, so you will add 1 in this 8, it will become 3,900. So we are going to round this up, round up karenge. Then replace rest of the digits, the remaining 2 digits will be replaced by placeholder 0. So this will be round up to 3,900. Another example, the rule will remain the same. Round off 9,499 to nearest thousand. Then underline the digit on the thousands place. That is 9,000. Next is 4. Circle this 4. That lies between 9,000 and 10,000. On a number line, it comes when we check this on the number line. This number is closer to 9,000. So it will be round down to 9,000. According to the method we have learned, we will check the place value of 9. It's on thousands place. The next digit that is circle is 4. But 4 is less than 5, so round down to thousands. When we will round this down to the thousands, it will round down to 9,000 and replace the remaining 2 digits by the 0. 3 digits by the 0. Placeholder zeros will be added. Another example, 1,427. Round this to nearest hundreds. So underline the hundreds digit, that is 4. Then circle the next digit. Look at the digit to the right of the place position you are rounding to. Right, that 2 will be circled. It lies between 1,400 and 1,500. So where it will go? It's closer to 1,400. So we will round it down because this 2 is smaller than 5. As this 2 is smaller than 5, so we will round down to 1,400 and replace the rest of the digits on the right side with the placeholder 0. Today's work, what you are going to do is workbook page number 12 now. Your classwork is challenge number 2 and your homework is challenge number 1. I'll explain them one by one. Challenge number 1 says circle the multiples of 10 that the number rounds to. The first one has been done for you. 3249. Two numbers are given. As we have to round this to tens, so underline the number on the tens place, that is 4. The right side digit will be circled, that is 9. And when we will round this 9 is greater than 5, so it will give us an extra 1 that will be added in this 4. So it will become 3250. So it will be rounded up. The next is 6336. We will underline 3 and we will circle 6. 6 is greater than 5, so it will give 1 to this 3 and it will become 6340. Next, same method will be applied on when we have to round to the multiples of 100. The example is done for you, 3011. There is no digit on hundreds place, so we will underline it and circle the next right to it, that is 1. It's less than 5, so we will not add 1 in this digit and it will become 3000. Next, I have done example number 5. It is 7755. Underline this 7 on hundreds place, circle this 5 on the right side of it. This 5 is equals to 5, so it will give 1 to this 7. It will turn into 8. All these 5 will change their place with 0, so it will become 7800. Same will be done in the bottom part. If we will round off 7200 to the nearest thousands, it will become 7000. Part B, 4449, it will be rounded down to 400 because 4 is less than 5, so it is not giving 1 to any digit on the left side. So if we have to round off 9551 on the thousands place, underline this 9, circle this 5. This 5 is equals to 5. So this will give 1 to this 9. So this 9 will turn into 10 and all the remaining digits will turn into 0. So the new number will be 10,000. If we have to do J part in this 6737, 7 is greater than 5, so it will give 1 to this 6, so this will become 700. You will complete the remaining parts yourself. Take a clear picture of it. Use a dark pencil and take a clear picture it and upload that on the Google Classroom for checking. Jazakallahu khair. I hope everything is clear to you. If you find any difficulty, you can ask your teacher by email. I end my session by this dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.